Hello Year 3, it's Miss Hendy here and I'm going to be doing your reading skills lesson with you today. So today, as we have started a new term, we are going to be starting a new story, which means we are going to start with predictions. So what I would like you to do, please, is to press pause, write today's short day and Vipers in your book, circling the P for predict. Once you have done that, I'm going to quickly go through what each letter in Viper stands for. So we have V for vocabulary, I for infer, P for predict, E for explain, R for retrieve, and S for summarize. And today, as you can see, I've very lovely circled predict. And predict is basically thinking about what might happen from the details that have been given or implied. It's basically kind of a good guess using what you know to help you think about what is going to happen in the story in this case. So our new text is Audrey, the Amazing Inventor, and it was written by Rachel Valentine, so that's the author, and illustrated by Katie Weymouth. Now, illustrated means it is the person who does all the drawings and the illustrations. So now we've had a little look at the front cover. What I would like you to do is to make some predictions based on what you can see so far. I would like you to write up to 4 sentences about the front cover using these sentence openers. So you may think about, have a look at the picture and think, I wonder if Audrey is a successful inventor, is something that I may think about. Perhaps, what do you think might happen? Perhaps she fails at times, but she perseveres and still succeeds. It seems to me that Audrey, because of the light bulb above her head, has lots of ideas. Maybe Audrey ideas are sometimes a little bit too big. Maybe. They're just some of my predictions. So if you'd like to press pause and have it go at coming up with some of your own using the sentence stems that we have here. So now you've made some predictions based on the front cover. We are now going to have a look at 2 more things to help us make some predictions. So we have here the blurb. Now the blurb is normally found at the back of a book, and the blurb is there to tell you a little bit about the story, to invite the reader in to read the rest of the book. So it needs to be quite catchy. It needs to make the person want to read the story. So here we have our blurb. Audrey wants to be an inventor, but her inventions never seem to go quite as planned. ... That's our blurb. And in this book, and in lots of stories, you do get this, but some stories you don't. We have a little bit more information, a bit of an extension on the blurb to invite you in even more. So let's have a little look at the inside cover. Being an amazing inventor is not that easy. Audrey's egg collector does not make Daddy's mornings any easier. Her cat, Apolt, catapults Happy Cat a bit too far. And don't mention the jam dispenser. Should Audrey give up? Or should she try one last time? What do you think? I'm just going to quickly draw your attention to this word here. I have highlighted it. It's dispenser. Now, a dispenser is a machine designed to release a specific amount of something. So, for example, We have soap dispensers. Now we have soap dispensers in school, in the classrooms, in the toilets, and the soap dispensers gives you the right amount of soap to wash your hands with. So she's designed a jam dispenser, so a jam machine that releases the right amount of jam, or at least tried. Okay, on to your today's task. So today's task is to look at the blurb and look at the inside cover and answer these prediction questions. So I'm going to go through one at a time, and you can press pause and do it as you go, or you can wait to the end and have a go at the questions on your own. So question number 1, I'd like you to read the inside cover. So that's this part here. What do you think the egg collector does to make Daddy's morning harder? I wonder. Question number 2. Where might Happy Cat get catapulted to? Oh, a bit too far, it says, so I wonder how far that is. Question number 3. What do you think happened with the jam dispenser? Remember, a dispenser is something that gives a specific amount. So what do you think happened? Question number 4. Do you think Audrey will give up? And why do you think that? If you've said yes, I think she will, why do you think she will give up? And if you think no, actually, I don't think she will give up, why not? You could use the word because there to help you explain. Links to our learning power of reasoning. And question number 5. What do you think Audrey will invent at the end of the story? Okay, so that's given us a little bit of a clue, actually, that Audrey might not give up. Or maybe that's the reason why she does give up. I don't know. What do you think Audrey will invent at the end of the story? Once you have completed those questions, there is a little task for you to do at the end of a lesson. If you could invent anything, what would it be and why? So write a sentence in your book. I would like to invent blank because blank. Now you might want to think about something that you might find quite tricky or quite challenging and how you can make it easier. So that might be something that you want to invent, and the reason why could be because you find it quite tricky. Or you could link it to something that you really enjoy and how you maybe perhaps can make it better. It's completely up to you. I look forward to hearing about the things that you want to invent. Any questions? Remember, we are on Teams to help you, so please ask away. Thank you very much, Year 3. I hope you enjoy. Are looking forward to this new text, and I shall speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.